Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Feel It Still by Portugal the Man. This is about an intermediate advanced level choreography. So if you don't know some of the steps in this dance, you can find them in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist that I linked in my description box below. Also, some of these steps are going to be in my time step playlist. So if it's a time step, that'll be in the time step playlist, and then part of them will also be in the Shim, Sham, Shimmy playlist. So, and I'll try to let you know as we go which playlist each step will be in, but most of them are going to be in the Tap Step Tutorials playlist. And all of that is linked in my description box below. Also, once you learn the once you learn the dance in this video, then you can try it out with music. I posted a short earlier this week where I did the dance with music. So once you're done learning it in this video, go ahead and find the link to the short in my description box below, and then you can go do the dance with music. So let's go ahead and get started learning here. Here we go. So we're going to start with a traveling time step. Now this is the single, but if you want to make it more advanced, you're more than welcome to do it as the double or the triple, but I do it in the dance as a single. So we're going to do it twice, and this is going to be in my time steps tutorials playlist. This isn't going to be in the Tap Step Tutorials playlist. So the traveling time step, we're going to start with the right foot. This is going to go to the right. We're going to go shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. Then we hop, step, shuffle, step. And that's the whole thing on the right. So once we finish it on the right, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, step, shuffle, step. Then we're going to switch to the left and do it going to the left. But we're going to end it a little bit differently. So left foot's going to go shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. We hop, and then cramp roll here on the left. Or excuse me, on the right. I'm getting my sides mixed up today. Okay, so right side into left side ends with a cramp roll instead of a step, shuffle, step. So from the top we have shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, step, shuffle, step, left, hop, cramp roll. Okay, from here we're going to go into 4 drawbacks starting on the right foot. They're going to be fast drawbacks, so they're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 Cincinnatis, right, left. The left one is going to end with a step instead of ending with a full drawback. So on the right foot we're going to go shuffle, heel, drawback, and then on the left shuffle, heel, step. Okay, that way when we step back, the heel's ready for the next step. Heels up and ready for the riff. So we have 4 drawbacks, 2 Cincinnatis. This second one ends with a step instead of a full drawback. Now we have 2 5-count riffs, right, left. And then we're going to do a riff rhythm turn on the right. Now, if you watched videos on my channel before, you'll know this, but when I do the riff rhythm turn, when I'm going through my tutorials for the dances, I have to kick my foot out to the side. That way I can get over. If you have enough space in front of you, it's just because I don't have enough space in front of me. But if you have enough space in front, you can easily just go forward, which is how you're supposed to do. But I have to go out to the side because I don't have enough space. So mine's going to look a little bit different from yours. Okay? We just did the riff rhythm turn on the right. We're going to go into 2 triple time steps. Just the buck and wing way. These are going to also be on the time step tutorial playlist in my description box below. So right, left, triple time steps. On the third one, on the right side, the third one, we're going to do a stomp, hop, shuffle, step, and we're going to add 2 double buffaloes in on the left, right in the middle of that triple time step. So it's going to start with the stomp, hop, shuffle, step. We're going to throw in 2 double buffaloes here. And then we're going to finish off the triple time step with a full lap step stomp. Okay? So that third one is going to go stomp, hop, shuffle, step, toe, lap, shuffle, step, toe, lap, shuffle, step, toe, lap, step, stomp. Now we're going to go into the shim sham. We're going to do 2 full ones of the first section of the shim sham. So it's going to be this part where we go stomp, spank, step, and then stomp, spank, ball, change. Okay? The second one's going to end a little bit of a different rhythm, so I'll go over that in a minute. So we're going to start on the left foot with this one. We're going to go down, stomp, spank, step, right, and then stomp, spank, ball, change. And then we're going to start it on the right foot, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step. And then we're going to go stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp. Okay, so instead of a stomp, spank, quick, quick, ball, change, quick, quick, this one's going to be slower. Stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp. So you can hear the difference when we do it on the left side. Oops, excuse me. Versus on the right. And so the right side is slower, left side is quicker. Okay? Okay, so from the top, we have from our travel time step. Right side, it's shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, hop, step, shuffle, step, left, ball, change, hop, cramp roll, drawback for 4, Cincinnati, riff, turn, time step, triple, with the buffaloes, shim, sham, and right, good. Nicely done. And if ever I'm going too fast, just know that you can always slow down the video, rewind, and pause so that you can get any spot that you're maybe having an issue with or don't quite understand the first time around. Just know that there are always ways to help you with your learning, okay? So we just finished stomp, spank, ball, change, stomp. We're going to do a paradiddle section. So we're going to do kind of a weird paradiddle. It's like an 8-count paradiddle, but we're going to go out to the side. Actually, it's not like an 8-count paradiddle. I lied. So left foot's going to go first. You're going to go dig, spank, step, heel. And it's like you're doing a paradiddle, but you're going to swing it out to the side. So dig, spank, step, heel. Then we're going to drop our right heel and then bring it back in. Spank, step, heel. So it does have 8 counts to it, but it doesn't have the shuffle in it like the 8-count paradiddle usually has. So it's like you're doing a paradiddle out to the side, and then you're going to drop your right heel, spank left, step heel. And now we're going to do the same thing on the right foot. Paradiddle out, heel now is on the left, spank, step, heel in with the right. Okay, and now we're going to turn it. So pretty much the pattern I want you to think of when you're doing the turn is dig, spank, step, heel, heel, left, right. And then you're going to continue that. Spank, step, heel, heel. And then another 2 times. And then you're going to spank, step, in. I think it's a total of 4. I may have done 1 too many. So it's dig, spank, step, heel, heel, 2, 3, and then in. It's a total of 4, and that counts the one that comes back in as well. And so that's going to turn you. So you're going to go out to the front side, dig, spank, step, left, right, spank, step, left, right, spank, step, left, right, spank, step, heel, putting your weight onto that left foot. Okay? Now, if you don't have a lot of room, you'll see that when you do one of your heels, the heel on your standing foot leg, your right leg for the left turn, that you might have to do a little bit of like a chug to get it into proper place. But if you're doing it with a little bit of a bigger space, you'll probably be able to do it with that foot just staying in place. Okay, once we finish our turn, we're going to repeat that whole thing on the right. So same thing with the 2 8-count paradiddles, even though they're not 8-count paradiddles. It's the dig, spank, step, heel, heel, left. Now we're turning on the right. That's going to go dig, spank, step, right, left. Spank, step, right, left. Right, left. Spank, step, heel on the right foot. Okay? When you do that turn, dig, spank, step, right, left. Right, left. Right, left. Spank, step, heel. Once we finish there, we're going to drag the left foot back. Ball change, left, right. Cramp roll on the left, and then stomp on the left to finish it all off. This was a long one, and I tried to pack a lot of steps in there, so there was a lot to learn with this one. Okay, from the top, we're going to do it up to tempo, and I'm going to talk you through it this time. Next time around, we're going to do it up to tempo, but I'm not going to talk you through it. Okay, so do this practice as many times as you need. And then otherwise, you can head on to the one where I don't talk. And then once you're finished there, head on to the one where you can do it with music. Okay? And that's the short linked in my description box below. Okay? So traveling time step from the top. I'm going to talk you through it. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle step. Left. Good. Cramp roll. Drawback. For 4, Cincinnati, riff, turn, triple time step, with the buffaloes, shim, sham, good, good, weird ending on this one, paradiddle section, right foot out, left foot turn, right foot out, good. Now left. Turn right. Drag. Ball change. And stomp. Nicely done. Very good job. Okay, one more time through, up to tempo, and I'm not going to talk you through it this time. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Very good job. Okay, you're ready to do it with music. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song or a step suggestion, let me know down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.